Dear children, we will study the adaptations in next aquatic animals, frog, duck and water hen. Now, we will see how water flows off waxy feathers of duck and water hen. See, they are having waxy feathers, and when they swim in water at that time, they can flow off the water with the help of waxy feathers. Now the next animal is frog, and in that we will see which are the structural modifications in frog. First of all, we will see that they are having webbed toes as well as webbed feet. See, they are having webbed feet and webbed toes. See how these webbed toes help them. We are having these fingers like that. They are also having their toes, and these toes, they are attached to each other with the help of this web, and because of it they can easily swim in water, and they use this in water like oars. They use their legs, their feet, their toes as oars, like the sailor. Sailor sails, when the sailor sails in water while sailing its ship. What does it do? It sails it with the help of oars, and like that the movement of frog's feet is also like oars. Then it has some adaptations like webbed toes, and it has triangular head. See, these are having triangular head, and because of that triangular head, it can dive in water and swim easily in water. Then it is also having slippery smooth skin. If you have touched any frog, you will feel that you must have felt that it is having smooth skin, very smooth skin, and it slips off very easily from our hand. Then just now we have studied they use their legs like oars. Now these frogs, they are having different colors. Why they are having different colors? Because their colors of frog's back, they help them to hide in the surrounding grass or anywhere whenever they are in the surrounding at that time. If there is green grass, they can hide easily in that green grass. If there is yellow grass, they can hide easily in that yellow grass. In this way, their back, it is having protective feature that it is having different colors. In different areas, different colored frogs are found. And we know that frog is amphibious animal. Now, you will think, what is the meaning of amphibious? You have studied aquatic animals. Now, there are also another types like terrestrial, amphibious. Now, we know that aqua means water. That's why aquatic meaning is that the animals, those live in water, they are called aquatic animals. What do you mean by terrestrial animals? Animals that live on land, they are called terrestrial animals. Now, we have seen that these frogs, they are amphibious animals. Now, what is the meaning of amphibious that we will see? They can live in water as well as they can live on land. That's why they are called amphibious animals. Now, these animals, when they are in water, they breathe with the help of their skin. See, they breathe with the help of their skin. There is exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide here in skin. As the skin is called there is the another word cutaneous for that, and that's why that respiration, that breathing, that process is called cutaneous respiration. Respiration through skin or breathing through skin. So in water, which type of respiration takes place? Cutaneous respiration takes place in water. They can breathe through skin in water. And whenever they are on land at that time, they breathe with the help of nose and lungs. See, they breathe with the help of nose and lungs whenever they are on land. Like us, they use their nose and lungs for respiration. So, respiration through lungs, it is known as pulmonary respiration. We have studied that prefix play very important role in science. That's why pulmono is the prefix that is used for lungs, and as the respiration takes place with the help of lungs, it is called pulmonary respiration. So respiration through lungs is called pulmonary respiration. It occurs in frogs whenever they are on land. In this way, we have studied their different types of respiration. See how they move in water. We have studied different adaptations. Those are present in water hen, duck as well as frog. Now the concept must be clear to you because we have demonstrated it with the help of audio visual technique. Thank you.